Hello and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at November 3rd, 2024's first scene Odd Even by Clover. Clover is one of our sellers here at Gas HQ, so my name is Bill Murphy. Hello, it is my pleasure to be solving this one for you today. You may notice that this is not my normal backdrop, nor a backdrop I've recorded in before. That's right, I'm having a short holiday. Woo! We have a public holiday down here for a giant horse race. So I get a long weekend from work. Yay! I do not feel very positive about horse racing. I hope that carries through. I should tell you about Gas. We are genuinely approachable Sudoku. We create, set, and solve genuinely approachable Sudoku. And, we make puzzles every day on this channel for you. You can solve this one. It's in the description down below, right there. You'll also find hat times. 2 hats is for a very fast time. 1 hat is for a pretty fast time. And everyone gets a dinosaur because we love you all equally. Yes, because I'm on holidays, apologies. I forgot my microphone. I forgot how to count to 3. Um, so that being said, I should probably tell you about this puzzle. Now, some people have had a bit of difficulty passing the rules for this one because it's a little bit different, and I know Clover absolutely loves this variant, but it hasn't changed. It's not that weird and odd compared to before. I will sort of clarify it for you in the rules of the puzzle when I put them on YouTube and right now. So, normal Sudoku rules apply, which means every box, every row, and every column must contain the digits 1 to 9 once each. Now, clues outside of the grid, yeah, so here that's a 1 and a 2. Tell you the first odd and first even. That's probably the clarification. And first even digit seen in that row or column, looking from the direction where the clue appears. So it means that 1 could be anywhere in there. Yeah, that's true. 1 could be anywhere in any of those spots. Because that could be the first seen odd digit. But as you'll see in a second when I go and start putting some things in, there's only one place that I can put it to, so I'm going to put it right there because it needs to be there before the 6. So if both numbers are given, it gives you the first seen odd and the first seen even. Otherwise, for these 2 clues, it's just the first odd. Hope that makes sense. That being said, I'm going to get into it. You should have a bit of fun. This one, I remember Clover normally does really clean versions of puzzles, and this is very tricky for Clover puzzles. So I'm going to try and do my absolute best to show this one off in a meaningful way. But that being said, let's get into it. So, if you have a look around the grid, you'll notice something. We got 2 1s there, 2 2s there, 2 4s here, and 2 3s here, and we have 1 digit that's kind of forced. So let's put those in. So first seen even needs to be a 4 before an 8. Over here, first seen even needs to be a 2 before a 6. Down here, first seen odd before a 5 needs to be a 1. Down here, first seen odd needs to be a 3. Yes, 3 in the corner. So, what does that tell us about what happens next? Well, it means that now, if we go around and have a look at the rest of them, the first seen even over here can't be in those 3 spots because that would have to be a 2. So that's a 2. And now over here, the 4 can't go in any of those spots. 4 has to go there because it has to go before the 8. Now, over here, first seen odd needs to go before this 9, so it's got to be a 3. And down here, first seen odd needs to go before a 5, so it has to be the 1. So that's the sort of trick to today's puzzle. Now, We also know a few other things. Because I've placed all of the evens in this, it means the first seen odd must be in that position, so that's 5. Same in row 3, so this is a 3. The 1 we're going to deal with in a second, but it means we can't have any odds before that. 9 must go before the 1. Over here, we don't quite know that just yet, but we might be able to do something in a second. Yeah, we can't quite resolve these ones just yet, but we'll get there. So let's do a bit of Sudoku and see what we can make work. So this, blah, 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 blah. What goes in there? That's 2, 3, and 7. Boy, that's not really useful. Okay, hang on. All right, so first seen even has to be in one of those 2 spots, so that's a 4 there. Down here, yeah, all right, that works. Why does it have to be in there? It's because in the numbers 1 to 7, we can only have a 7 in one of those spots. We can only have a 7 there before we have to start putting an odd, an even, or we can put the 7 there. Well, we can put something else there, but a 4 could go there. So 4 has to go in one of those 2 spots. Normally, that's not how I would pencil mark, and such behavior will get me thrown into Sudoku jail. But let's have a look down here. So we have the same thing. Because we have a 1593 and a 1593, we know that 4 has to go into one of these 2 spots. Because we've already put a 4 up here, it means 4 must go down there. Now this is 2, 6, and 8. 2, 6, 7, 8. And 2, 6. So in this first spot, we cannot have an 8. That's a known thing. Oh, pardon me. Because the 6. Oh, that might have been what I was missing. Because the 6 has. Okay. If that's a 7, then this would have to be a 6, which can't work. So this has to be a 6. All right. Whew. I wasn't lying when I said I knew this was on the trickier end. All right. Now, let's go back up here. So where's the first seen odd has to be a 1. First seen odd must be a 7. Now, via Sudoku, we know that 1 can't go on those. That's a 1. That's what I was taking way too long to find. All right, 7, 9, and 3. This is 1, 2, and 6. That's a 3. This needs a 2 and a 7. I don't quite know which way they go around just yet, but that's fine. That's 5, 9. This is a 2, 7. Now, all right. That's cute. I know that those are even. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8. Can't be 2. I know that this cannot be a 6 because C. Oh, no, it actually can be a 6. That's. No, it can't. Who am I kidding? 6 has to be in one of the first 2 positions. So that cannot be a 6. All right. So let's do these because these are 3 even digits. Because I know that 1 has to be the first seen odd digit. Okay, and then I'll come back the other way in a second. But that's an 8. This is a 6. This is a 2. Now I can take the 6 out of here. Take 2 out of there. But 9 has to go here. This is 5 and 9. Now, this is a 3, 5, 7 triple. We have more than enough to solve that. That's a 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5 go this way. Now, this is 2, 7, and 8. Means that's just a naked single 6. I love that for us. All right, now that I know that 7 can't go in that cell because I've just placed a 7 there, I know that this has to be a 6. Takes a 6 out of there. Oh, Someone's probably already got into the comments and yelled at me for this. I can't put a 7 in any of those spaces because I need to have a 1 before it. So that's an 8, that's a 2, that's a 7. Oh boy. Gee willikers. Um, I didn't know I had a Mickey Mouse impersonation in me. Alright. Uh, that, good news, gang. That is, as far as I can tell, all of the not quite all of the variant logic, nearly all of the variant logic. I got just a little bit ahead of myself. I need to place a 4 in one of those two cells. But this is 4 set. Oh, 2, 4, 7, and 8 to place. Oh, it's not really helpful. All right. What else have I got going on? That's a 4. Whew. I love Holiday Brain. It's great. I know that this has to be a 2 or an 8. I know that via Sudoku by a bunch of different ways, but this is a 6. Takes a 6 out of here. All right, let's backdoor into it. 2, 7. Take 2 out of there. That's 1, 8. Whew. 7 can't go there, so that's 7. That's 4. That's 8. There we go. 2, 1, 8, 2, 2, 8. Fine. Well, okay. Good news, gang, is I have finished all the variant Sudoku. I plan to watch Dessert Masters after I do this. Alright. What is it? That's a 6. That's an 8. 7 and 4. That's a 7 and a 1. 9, 4, 3, 5, 3, 9, 5. Whew. Roughly 8.5 minutes once I stop talking in the introduction. But wherever you are in the world, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. I'm going to catch you on the flip side. Peace.